Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the New Zealand versus the US dollar as price is coming up into a key area of interest. So here you can see I've got the New Zealand US dollar chart in front of me. If we discuss a little bit of the fundamentals first, we saw that in March the inflation rate in New Zealand is still sitting around 6.7%. So still inflation rates quite high in New Zealand, and we're likely to see the RBNZ continue to act with that further. Now we can see here from this weekly chart that price came and kind of formed a double bottom pattern down at the 0.6125 handle, and we've rallied since, and you can see that the price is kind of capped between a couple of different levels. We've got the highs up at the 0.6525 and that 0.6125 handle, where we could see the price kind of come back into those highs and see price trade between those two levels. We do have trend line resistance running through here as well, where you can see that we had a resistance level in here, and we are approaching that resistance once again in and around this 0.64 handle. And to be a little bit more precise, if I was to go down into the 4-hour time frame, you can see the 0.6375 handle as an area of potential resistance. So looking at the 4-hour as well, we can see that we have these previous highs here at the 0.6310. So if price is going to trade higher, I think we could reach the 0.6375. I also think if price trades through that, then it opens the door to those higher levels from the weekly chart. However, price would need to find some support back down here if it was going to interest traders further. So the 0.6310, which were these highs that formed on the 14th of April 2023, were acted as resistance around about the 5th of May. So last week it acted as short-term resistance before price found support around the 0.6250 and this trend line support. So what I'd be looking for is for price to come back down to the 0.6310 and see if we get some kind of interaction with traders looking to get long at this point. That could offer opportunities to see price head back to the 0.6375. A break of that would offer further upside. Now, the only downside to this is, obviously, we've been monitoring the dollar index lately. The dollar index currently still sitting at that 101 support. We've come back into it recently and had a little bit of a breakaway. Again, if we just go to that 4-hour time frame. So if we still see that kind of 101 support coming in through here and the dollar begins to get stronger and price trades below and down through this level of support here, then we could see price trade back down towards the 0.6125. But I think that's only going to be potentially a bigger play if we do get some kind of real change in momentum there for the US dollar. If we don't, I still think New Zealand dollar has some room to potentially trade to the upside, especially in line with this weekly. Even if you look at it from a monthly perspective as well, you can see that from that monthly time frame as well, it looks like we're forming a higher low there. So they could get a potential move up to that level and potentially beyond that. So hopefully that all made sense. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. I look forward to speaking to you in the next video. If you did like it, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more content. Thank you.